Hey y'all, today we are going to get back to finishing the carport slash work area for Tommy to work under during either hot weather or rainy weather. And for those of you that are new and want to know why we would be building a carport when you still have this mess going on the money pit, well, just long story short, there were some people that were going to be tearing a house down. They let us have all of the material from a deck that had been built a year before that was still perfectly good lumber. And we have built an outdoor shower, a pergola, and now a carport for next to nothing using this lumber. And I want to finish using that lumber before that lumber starts rotting. I don't want it sitting over there on the ground anymore. Plus, it lowers our light bill if we block the sun on that side of the house, and it gives Tommy somewhere to work when we are working on, stuff like this. So let's get back to the build. Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today.
Okay, so welcome back. Concrete's dry, set. So we're gonna run a couple boards this way from post to post, and here we go. Boot heels on a dance floor down in Texas. Steel guitar and twin fiddle sing. Oh, it's a great night to be in the heart of Texas. And it's time for a little western swing. Now don't you get me wrong, we love our country song. And them good old Texas two-steps, Lord, we love to sing along. But when the stars come out at night down here in Texas, oh, we gotta have a little western swing. I walk in the door, there's sawdust on the floor. I see my baby smiling, Lord, who could ask for more? We don't need a thing, 'cause it's Texas in the spring. The dance floor is calling and we begin to swing. Oh, the stars are shining bright in Texas tonight. I know they're shining, I see them in my baby's eyes. And when the stars come out at night down here in Texas, oh, we gotta have a little western swing. Well, looks like there's going to be a day 3. So I can put a couple more center joists in there. And we'll be back. Stay tuned.
I bought the wrong thing, but Tommy's going to try to make these joist hangers work. Here's one. Try it. You're nosy. Nosy chickens. You look deep in thought. What are you thinking? And don't say Arby's. Trying to remember the angle.
Yeah, I got it. Question is I would stand over here, baby.
Why?
Because we could have catastrophic failure if that other end decides to fall.
You said you don't trust your work.
Not that I don't trust my work. There's nothing holding that in.
At least it's a pretty day.
Yeah.
Not that hot.
Nope.
Look at that. You don't even need my help.
Don't say anything too fast. Yep, I will.
Need me to hold it? 2 down and 2 to go.
Here we have it. Strongest.
Hang from it. Let's see how strong. At least it didn't fall.
That's it. Alright, so there we got the framing in. That's going to be it for today. I still got to put first strips in, but I'm going to wait to do that because I want to put the
Cedar?
the cedar shakers on the side up there in the gable, and then I'll do put the tin on, and then we'll stain everything. So until then, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't, like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we'll see you.